Belzona 5892 is a cost-effective coating system for the corrosion protection of metallic surfaces operating under immersion. It will protect against attack from aqueous solutions and hydrocarbons operating at temperatures up to 95 degrees Celsius, 203 degrees Fahrenheit. One of the key factors of a Belzona application is a thorough mix of two components. In this video, we will demonstrate how to mix Belzona 5892 by volume. Each product comes with a manufacturer's instructions for use. You can fully or partially mix base and solidifier. Before mixing base and solidifier, use the Belzona spatula to reincorporate any product settlement by stirring the base. Using the same Belzona spatula, add the base into the mixing cup. Then, start adding the solidifier into the mixing cup until you reach the right proportion. Mix thoroughly together until a uniform color is achieved. Once the material is mixed, it is ready for the application on aftercoolers and other equipment, separators, heat exchangers. For more information about Belzona 5892, visit belzona.com.